So students, we are just half away from CLAT 2024 and most of you might be losing your motivation towards CLAT. So I have seen many students, basically those who just have that anxiety before the examination, who just lose their excitement before the examination. So this is the thing that you should avoid basically, क्योंकि एग्जामिनेशन के लिए जब हम डिटरमाइंड हो चुके हैं, जब हमने सोच लिया है कि ये एग्जामिनेशन तो हमको क्रैक करना ही है, then why do we people get demotivated? So यहाँ पर what are the key things that you should consider in order to get motivated for preparing for CLAT? So now let's have a look at what are the things that we should take into consideration for preparing for CLAT. So here are the things. The first thing is that you should always start with excitement. Now what is this thing that you should always start with excitement? So कभी कभार तो क्या होता है कि हमारे पास जो पैसेज आता है वो हमारे जॉनर का होता है, वो ऐसा पैसेज होता है that we try to read about that subject. So उस तरह के पैसेज में we have excitement towards reading. But then there are passages we don't want to read them, we don't find any connection with them. So the thing is that you should always be excited for those passages also. However, that doesn't mean that it would be fun reading those passages, but it simply means that in order to try to comprehend those, you should try to comprehend those passages which you do not like also, because you don't know what CLAT will serve on your platter basically, right? So यहाँ पर हमको उस तरह के passages जो हमको पसंद नहीं भी आते हैं, उनको भी उसी excitement, उसी curiosity के साथ पढ़ना है जैसे हम वो passages पढ़ते हैं जो हमें पसंद होते हैं. Now the second thing that will keep you motivated is balanced social interaction. So balanced social interaction. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy, but all play and no work makes him very worse. So this is the thing. So यहाँ पर हमेशा खेलना और बिल्कुल भी काम नहीं करना ये भी बुरा है, और बिल्कुल खेलना नहीं और बहुत काम करना ये भी बुरा है. So similar goes with the students also. When you always study without any social interaction, your mind gets stuck basically, because your mind always wants something that should excite it. So you should try to have a balanced social interaction. It means that you should have proportional balance between the two. That is, you should have social interaction as well. You should also have to study for the CLAT. Now next is, you should take that the small steps are building blocks. Now what does this mean that small steps are the building blocks? If you are finding each and every passage very much difficult, try to just loosen up a bit. So that means that you should take passages which are not that much difficult, which are not that much easy. You should look for the moderate passages that will help you in order to enhance your preparation. Now basically this simply means कि आपको easy passages चुनने हैं, लेकिन इतने easy भी नहीं कि वो 10th level के हो या 11th level के हो. You should try to search for moderate level of passages. वो passages जो moderate level के हैं, जो competition level के हैं लेकिन इतने ज़्यादा difficult नहीं हैं. So यहाँ पर जब आप धीरे धीरे moderate level के passages को solve करेंगे, उसके बाद आप और ज़्यादा difficult level पर जाएंगे. So ये आपके लिए थोड़ा सा easier रहेगा as compared to just going on or just opting for the difficult passages in one go. एकदम से difficult passages पे जाएंगे तो ये difficult रहेगा, और अगर हम एकदम से moderate से difficult पर जाएंगे तो ये जो transition है हमारा from moderate to difficult, it would be easier for us and it also would be helpful for us. Now next thing is, you should not try to fantasize anything. Now what does this mean, you should not try to fantasize anything? It simply means that your graph will always be wavering. ट्रस्ट मी, जब हम किसी चीज़ को लेकर मेहनत करते हैं तो ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारा ग्राफ एकदम अपवर्ड चला जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम एकदम से जो है क्रैक कर लेंगे क्लैट को विदाउट एनी प्रिपरेशन, विदाउट एनी प्रिपरेशन और विदाउट एनी एग्जामिनेशन. यहाँ पर हमको एग्जाम्स भी फाइट करने हैं, और यहाँ पर क्लैट से पहले कौन से एग्जाम्स हैं मैम? सो क्लैट से पहले मॉक्स हैं जिनको आपको फाइट करना है. मॉक्स आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल रहेंगे. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, दिस विल बी अ वेवरिंग ग्राफ. कई बार मॉक में आपके कम मार्क्स भी आ सकते हैं, मॉक में आपके ज़्यादा मार्क्स भी आ सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पर इस वजह से हमको टेंशन नहीं लेना है. वी शुड नॉट गेट टेंस्ड अबाउट दिस. वी शुड नॉट हैव एंग्जाइटी अबाउट दिस दैट वी आर नॉट गेटिंग मार्क्स नाउ. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट वेवरिंग ग्राफ रहेगा, लेकिन ट्राई आपको ही करना है कि ये वेवरिंग ग्राफ जो है अपवर्ड ट्रेंड करे. बिकॉज in stock market also we don't see a hypothetical graph that is always upward. It is the trend that is going upward. It is the trend of the waves that is going upward, and that you will have to find a way out in order to make this trending upward, in order to make your progress trending upward basically. And lastly, always believe in yourself, and it is the most important point that you should always consider, not only while preparing for CLAT but while enduring any of the things in your life. So always believe in yourself. Why? Because it is you and will always be you who will be responsible for your success. आपके अलावा आपकी मदद कोई दूसरा नहीं कर सकता है. इसलिए हमेशा खुद पर बिलीव करना, that would be the final verdict, or that would be the final point that would help you and keep you motivated throughout. And Utkarsh is always there for you people. तो उत्कर्ष हमको हमेशा सपोर्ट करेगा in each and every endeavor of yours. So this is for the things that these are the things that you would keep you motivated while your CLAT 2024 preparation, and I hope that you would consider all these points that would help you to be motivated in your CLAT. Thank you students, and all the best. Keep learning, growing, and always try to be happy.